Going over Tesla here on unusual whales, and two of the highest volume is going to be for this week here, March 28th. We have the Tesla 270 puts as well as the Tesla 300 calls, and here's the volume here with 70,000 and 64,000. So those two I would be keeping an eye out for as well. Let's go ahead and scroll down here into the latest price targets. So no previous update here, or no latest update here, but our previous price target here for Morgan Stanley on March 21st is 410, a buy recommendation. You got Piper Sandler here who reiterated 450 as a price target, a buy recommendation as well. Been seeing Piper Sandler pop up a lot as well on social media for Tesla stock. And then of course you can see that there's 6 consecutive buy recommendations here from these firms. If we look at the latest insider buys and sells, you can see 530,000 here for buys and 54,000 here for sells. Average price right around 238. This is a week of March 10th, however, and today is March 26th. So let's go ahead and go into the Webull chart and take a look at the chart today. Currently down about 3%. I don't mind this at all because we did just hit a pretty nice bounce here all the way up to 291. And if I zoom out here to the 4-hourly chart, I do want to share with you some dip opportunities. So let's go ahead and get started here. Now, I think between 250 here, which is closer to the middle Bollinger Band here on the 4-hourly chart, is going to be a better entry, or I would say this is one of the best entries at this point, is if you can get a price of entry between 272 and 250. Right, I'm not looking to find the bottom of Tesla, and I don't think, it's not impossible, but I don't think we're gonna get a test again down towards 215. I think 215 there is gonna be our low for Tesla, so keep an eye out for 272 here being a potential support level as well moving forward. And if we do dip down below 272, like I said, I think between 272 and 250 is going to be one of the better entries for Tesla stock. Could be one of the best entries as well from this point on. And again, this is just my personal opinion. The next major resistance to keep an eye out for is closer towards 313. 313 there is going to be a level to keep an eye out for, as well as potentially even 325. These are two short-term resistances to keep an eye out for as we move forward into April 2025. I think going into April, I am looking out for, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you right now from our current price, 313 to be tested. And again, 313 there is going to be right around a 13% move towards the top side. And if we go all the way up to the next short-term resistance right after, which is 325, that is going to be about a 17% move towards the top side. So that's something to keep an eye out for as well. And during this year, if we do break above 313 and 325, some other major resistances to keep an eye out for, one being 355, and this is all based on the Fibonacci retracement. 355 there, going to be a potential 27% move towards the top side from our current prices. And post 355, the next level is going to be 406, followed by that all-time high there of 488. Now, 406 to 488 could be potentially tested maybe towards the end of the year or possibly going into next year. This is hard to predict as you already know that Tesla stock moves very fast, right? As fast as things go up, they can go down just as fast. The sentiment can change really quick here for Tesla. And so this is why this stock is such a high risk, high reward, and volatile stock, of course. So looking at 406 as the next level here, this is a 46% move towards the top side. And if you look at a lot of the price targets, and take this with a grain of salt, a lot of the price targets here, besides from RBC Capital, are ranging between 400 all the way up to 450. So if we go into the Webull chart here, 400, right around 406 here, my personal price target. That's going to be a 46% move towards the top side, and you range up to 450, which is the price target there of, who is that? Piper Sandler, right? That's a 62% move towards the top side from our current prices. And so, in my opinion, I really think the upside potential is way more than the downside potential. You have this downside potential, in my opinion, possibly the bottom at 250 from this point on, which is about a 11% drop, right? So this here would be the risk of 11%, in my opinion. Then you have this upside potential towards 450, and that's going to be about 62 or 61% move towards the top side. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. In my opinion, I think this is a really good dip opportunity, and of course, if we get down towards 272 or lower, I would look to dollar cost average more into my long-term portfolio or swing trade portfolio for Tesla stock. And if you don't have a community yet, feel free to join our Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join, and we have over 32,000 people there. And then last but not least, this is optional. If you are looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, we also have a live bot as well. You can join our Patreon, currently a 90% off permanent discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Link down below in the description for the live entries and exits on stocks and options from multiple analysts as well as that trading bot. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for Tesla stock. And again, let us know down below in the comments if you're long term on Tesla as well, and what your thoughts are on Tesla going into April 2025.